Air conditioned units are on the rise, and with those come cheaply made air conditioned units, especially those made outside the United States, outside of Japan. They are finding that some of these air conditioning units do not have atmosphere friendly refrigerants inside them. They basically do not pass EPA standards. Oh yeah, they come from China, they come from India, or the cooling agent inside there is not a cooling agent. It only looks like a cooling agent. It really doesn't cool anything. They're basically energy eating units that do nothing. You've seen them advertised on TV?